How to check any flight status on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Notes application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on the new Note icon at the bottom right corner. Now, type in the flight number you want to check the status of. For example, A101. After that, long press on the text to highlight it, and a menu will appear. Tap on the arrow on the right to view more options. From this list, scroll down and tap on Find Selection. The flight number will now be underlined, indicating it is a link. Tap on the underlined flight number, and then select Preview Flight. You can now view the flight status, including departure and arrival times. Once you are done, tap on the checkmark icon in the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily check any flight status on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.